Hey everyone, it's Agent27, and welcome to episode 7 of the Game Dev series. Today, I'm a little limited on time because I have school and I have to travel, but I do want to get something in. So I'm going to go to school today, but I'm going to quietly work in the background and get some stuff done. What we need to do now is add our last couple characters and figure out an ending for the game. From there, we can finish the game. So let's get going.
Alright, so I went and got things together, started to add some new enemies to the game, and that was pretty good. I was able to get things going, test things, and figure out different ways to defeat enemies, so what will happen on that point, so whether you'll get a new attack, or you'll refresh some health, or things like that, and that makes it a lot easier to play the game. That was all good, except for this one little issue I kept having, where after you defeated an enemy, it doesn't always teleport you back to where you belong, which was kind of weird, and it only happens sometimes. And I spent ages trying to figure this out until I was running late for class and had to stop, so I pushed a halt on that, and then I got busy for the weekend, so I went and did my usual weekend things, got things done, and took a little break.
I got a little bit of stuff done while I was at school on Thursday, but then I had to go travel and do some things, some other work projects that I need to get done. But that's done now. But today is also the last day of the challenge. So, here's the plan. I'm gonna finish what I was working on yesterday. I noticed I was having issues. I was spending ages on trying to figure out how to get this character to actually teleport and not go back. I think I figured it out just by doing some research in manuals, so I think we'll be able to do that, and from there we can clean up a couple things, clean up my code, get it going, fix the one issue that's glaring if I can, if not, oh well, and we'll see if we can release it. So let's get going.
Alright, so we're back. Back in Unity, back in everything, and the issue I was having is in this player movement. So, I pulled up some documentation. Player movement controller. It's true. So we'll see what happens now. Game. I had some issues with loading and saving, so I just had to close Unity, reopen it, and redo what I missed. So, battle. So after a successful test, I went and started to create a new menu. So we don't have a main menu, so what do people see when they first join the game? Well, they see a loading screen, and then they're put right into the game, and there's no real way to close it. So I went and changed that a bit. So instead, what happens is we do that. We go to the main menu, and when you press play, it puts you in the game. And that gets you everywhere that you need to be. So it all works, and finally we have a working system. It took a while, and there's still definitely a lot more to do, but we got there. I then spent a little while testing the game, making sure everything works, and starting to export, make a few builds, and get things going. After I finished those builds, I went and started to build a launcher for the game that also incorporates the backend server. Because our backend server is what we need for people to play the game. Unfortunately, it requires people to have Java installed. I tried to write a script for it, it didn't work too well. There were some issues, but it seems to be working okay. We'll see. Little things here and there. We'll get to it eventually. But it all seems to be working well, which is awesome. I got the game to run after a bunch of testing and debugging and testing and debugging, but we got it to go, and then I uploaded it. So you guys will be able to play it. The link will be in the description. Alright, so we now have a game. I fixed a few of the issues we were having, I put it together in a nice, easy way to release, and I put it on itch.io. The link to the game will be in the description if you'd like to play. I may do one more video just showing off the game, but at this point, this project is complete. So, thank you all for being involved for the last 2 weeks. I may come back to it at another point in the future, who knows, if you guys are interested. So stick around, but that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.